Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Tech Channel.
In today's video, we will be showing you how to get various stickers on your WhatsApp application. In order to get stickers on WhatsApp, you will need to install a third-party application. In order to do this, go into the Google Play Store and then search for sticker.ly. Once you find the application, tap on the install button, and when the application is installed, you can go ahead and open it up in order to access various sticker packs. Search for various stickers on this application, and when you find the one that you want to add, tap on the Add button along with the WhatsApp logo. Once you tap on this, the sticker pack will begin downloading. Once the download is complete, you will be asked whether you would like to add this to WhatsApp. Tap on the Add button and the sticker pack will be applied into your WhatsApp application. In order to use this sticker, just go into any message conversation on your WhatsApp. Now tap on the emoji icon at the left side of the message box. From there, just tap on the sticker icon at the bottom. Now from here, you will be able to access all of the sticker packs that you have added into WhatsApp. So that is how you can add various stickers into your WhatsApp application. If you find this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.